I was making fun of people not finishing their go-kart project, and here I am with an unfinished go-kart project. So I'm sorry, people, that I made fun of you for not finishing your go-kart project. I just have a couple of things here to do. Should be good to go. A little more wiring. I wired the brake switch. I wired the clutch safety switch. I wired the fan. And I got the sensor for the Honda motor. I put it into this Kawasaki radiator. And then I wired it up the same way it was wired up on the Honda. I'm going to try to wire up our brake lights here. I need to bleed the brakes, and then I need to figure out what I'm going to do with the chain. Jared got me this sealed bearing roller. I think it's for a chain, you know, but I'm just afraid with how straight up and down this motor is that it's not going to dig that, you know, that pressure there. The chain's not even sitting in right now. It's that much slack. So, you know, we got some slack to take care of here. If I take one more link out, it won't fit. And so that's kind of where we're at. The other thing I can do is I can cut these and lift the motor up a little bit and re-weld it. And that seems like kind of a pain in the butt, but it doesn't seem like it would be too ridiculously hard. I just don't like the fact that we'd have like cut seams wherever I end up doing this, where I've kind of gusseted things and got things right. But I don't know, that might be the easier way to go and more solid way to go.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, got our tail lights wired up here. I can't figure out what these are. Thought they might be turn signals, but they're not turning on with it. I got this back bleeder open to just kind of try to gravity feed it, since brake pedal's a little too far away for me to do this by myself. So I need to get to work. No more time for dicking around. Get back to work. Well, I made 4 little brackets here, go on each side of our thing, and I'm trying to make it look kind of nice, so I spent a little bit of time on them. And they'll fit in there like that. I know my hand's in the way, but you'll see, you'll see. There it is. Kind of covers up the FUBA and whatnot. Just to finish it off, I think we're gonna do little caps on the end here, and then it'll all look swanky. Nope, it's not what I'm supposed to be doing. And yes, I am broke, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I even tried a little. Covered up my foobahs.
Did you get the brakes already?
No, I need an assistant.
Assistant, you need a brake pusher?
Tried to make it as normal vehicle as I could. So when you freak out, the clutch is in the normal spot. The brake is in the normal spot. Hopefully. Do a push test. Hit the brakes. Hey,
It stopped.
doing something. All right, we got the wiring cleaned up here. Our brake light wiring wasn't long enough, so we did that. Zip tied up some stuff. Still haven't figured out our kill switch because it's not running to kill. And I don't know how it works. It's running, or it's trying to start. But this is a big moment. We're gonna put gas in it. Sensor in neutral. Everything in the way.
Clear?
Pick it up to the next setting. I don't think so. Oh well.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna